fucking dark. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the videos. Hello guys, like that we have the video here. We in the bus. I'm doing a wank last minute. So we're in Spain. So he's doing a vlog. I'm doing a vlog. So I'll skip parts of the hotel. I'll show you back over the hotel. I'll show you how we're going. Gas. Look how many cars are in here. Tons. Yes.
Oh, and
this big one.
Oh.
Don't spit on me, right? They don't spit on me, right? Cigars are here. Look how many cigars. Oh my god. They smoke when they start smoking every single one. You just die the next day. And just look. Fucking window. Next day, die off. Shit. Beer. Lights. Change colors, I think. Kind of, yeah. Change colors. And look at the roof. Jesus. Look. Oh, no, sorry, tits. Oh my god. Look at them all. Perfumes, how many do you want in this fucking airplane? Boarding gates. Woo! Flight to Dublin. Ryanair. Okay. Awesome. Fuck Barcelona. Round. See the black pants. That's inside. He's looking at the sandwiches. It says pants company. Random colors. And clothes. Clothes. Coffee, sandwich, pizza, whatever that is, and airplanes. A lot of airplanes. And the random exit right there. And random phones standing there. And what the fuck was that? Hey, look. And a random shark opens its mouth, transitos. Oh shit, I'll see. I'll go there when I go there and see what's inside the shark. But they're having sex. Dolphin sex. Eat one. Oh yeah. Baby better. One dolphin's having more sex and there's a round thing and a public entrance. It's a fake shark. I'm coming, ma'am! Oh, look at this. This. And this whole random shop doing in the middle of nowhere. And Spanish. Israeli flag. European Union. I know them all. Yeah, you saw condom. Yeah, you didn't see a deal to fucking you. And there are a lot of people here. The telephone. Down there. This is down. And they said it's down. So there's the toilet. Best of the toilet. Try piss here. And some boobs. Boobs. And all them old guys. The airport. My mom. Okay. Yes, and Burger King Coke. And I'm gonna eat my Skittles. Yes. I showed you the rest of the plane right now. There's some pictures.